Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G30 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages, so the top option. As you can see here, we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language simply, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it. Let me choose maybe Greek. Just tap, choose the region. And as you can see, the Greek language has been immediately applied to this list. However, the English is still a main one. So all we have to do right now is to reorder the languages. We have to tap on the language, tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And as you can see, immediately your device will apply the language, and from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen one. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it. Tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And again, we've got English. Of course, you can also remove the languages from this list. Tap on the 3 icon in the right upper corner. Tap on remove. Mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.